Okay. Um, Lauren's really loud this morning, so don't mind her. But thank you guys for being here this morning. We're just gonna go and start our play party for the Aaron Garner challenge that started almost a week ago now. Do all of you already have tickets in the challenge since it's almost a week since it's
I
been?
don't.
You
I
don't?
don't. I have not earned a single ticket yet.
I haven't either. As we talked, my keyboard's broken. We're gonna try to do some on my phone with my fingers, but Evelyn and Cindy, do you guys have, I think Evelyn, you raised your hand. You have some tickets already? Yeah, she does. Cindy,
Oh, Evelyn, you're muted, just so you know.
I think you
Yes, I
need,
have, I don't know, I think I have 12 or something.
I have 312.
ooh, wow, okay.
Okay.
That's so
Wow.
awesome.
All right. Well, Evelyn and Cindy, we'll keep that in account, but we'll just go ahead and all of us knock out as many on the Aaron Garner challenge as we can, get as many golden tickets as we can. And I think we'll come back at 9:40 my time, so that's 10:40 Mountain Time. All right, go ahead and mute yourselves and have fun. See you in a bit. Hey, Michael, how are you doing? Oh, I don't know if you can hear us yet. I'm gonna go turn my son's movie down because it seems really loud to me. I'll be right back.
No, we can't hear it, Michelle, just so you know.
Okay.
There we are.
My
Thought I
sound,
lost you.
my
We're
sound
here.
filter seems really good because even when I hear something super loudly on my end, everybody else is like, "Oh, I can't hear it." So that's good. How are you, Michael?
He
Oh,
must not be able to hear us.
yeah. Michael, can you hear us? I see it's a no. Hmm. Okay. Well, how many tickets did you all get? Oh, Evelyn got to 359 minus 12. I'm not good at math, but let's see. So that's 39.
47, maybe?
Yeah, wait, let's see. I think 47. I think you're right. Wow. And then Ken got 21, 55 new ones. I think it was 11. It's actually let me get a few. It's surprisingly hard on the phone. Have you ever done it? Like on the, yeah,
Ah,
it's so
yes,
hard.
on the iPad with your
Yeah.
finger key.
Yeah. It is so much harder. I don't know what it is about it, but yeah, I got a few done, so that's good. All right, I need to go pick Nora up because she's freaking out. But Tammy, you wanna um
Sure.
leave this for a second? I'll be right back.
Yeah, I was trying the level
Okay.
5 pieces. I thought I would um, jump into that. And there was one called I think a sea shanty, I want to say. And I had to go through it 3 or 4 times to get it. Let's see. The reindeer sea shanty. Have any of y'all played that one before?
Yeah.
That's a fun one. I think I don't very often read both in bass clef or both in treble clef. And anytime I try to do that, my brain says, what are you doing? Even 8VA, like if it says 8VA or 8VB, I struggle. It seems like it would be easy, not a problem, but it throws me off. Did you guys run across any pieces that you hadn't heard before?
I really enjoy this challenge. I really do. Uh, it's a lot of fun.
It's fun. Yeah, I would say Aaron really makes learning fun. Like he adds interest to it. Especially, have you noticed his lyrics ever in his pieces?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I always
It's a
study
little
the
on the wild
lyrics.
side. Yeah.
They're so funny. I think um Mother May I is that and it's like may I cut the cheese? I just was
Yeah.
listening to I was like cut the cheese? What? And they're like, oh, Aaron's at it again.
Yeah, that would be him. His personality is the sense of humor.
Kids love it. They
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
they want to play the song for the lyrics, especially that Christmas one. Oh, Christmas is a mess.
Yeah,
They
Yes.
they love that
Yeah.
one.
it's a good one.
So I know Mike can't hear us, but I don't know how
I
to.
can hear you now.
Oh,
Oh,
good. Yay.
you
Hi,
found out what
Michael.
it
How
was?
are you?
Yay. Okay.
I did what Cami said. It worked perfect. Thank you,
Oh,
Cami.
good. Glad. That's
You are
good.
really quiet, so it's a little difficult to hear you. I'm not sure why that is, but
Can you turn
Um,
up your microphone? Do you remember how to go into sound and turn that up?
oh, me. Sorry.
Yeah.
yeah.
Um, oh, I think it's as loud as I can get.
On your computer, there's a setting for microphone. It's just your volume on your computer
Yeah, I did.
microphone.
It doesn't want to go any louder.
That's okay. We can hear you. We
Yeah,
just have to like
we'll just
lean in.
just listen in a little bit, but no big deal. How have you been, Mike?
So far, so good. I just
Good.
got my tickets finally finalized with the airport and stuff. So
Oh yeah, I think everybody here today is coming to the conference.
Yes.
So, but
Cool.
Mike was going to drive from Florida
Oh, that would
all
have
the
been
way to
awesome.
Colorado.
until I sat down and spoke to Cami last week.
No, it wasn't because
And
of
then
me.
She and Kelly jumped on the same side. I'm not going to drive that far in a van.
No. I recommended not staying at truck stops. That was my that was my 2 cents in
You're such a
the
girl.
matter. Just for Kelly. I'm sure you would be fine.
Oh, I'd have no problem. But, oh well.
If you need somebody adventurous, Mike is your man. He'll make it happen.
My grandma is probably closing in on 80, and she likes to travel and has an RV, and she will stop and sleep at truck stops, like by herself or her
She
and
does.
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
She probably
That's
loves it. She probably loves it.
Does she love it?
Does my grandma love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, she thinks it's free. It's, easy.
That's
It's
what
on the
Mike
way
was
to stop
that's
and you
Mike
just,
saying. He's like, no, it's great.
but
Great.
she
Best
also,
thing in the
now
world.
that she's gotten older, she starts, like every time she passes a rest stop, she stops and takes a nap just because like she's older and it's harder for her to drive really long distances. So she just stops at every single one, takes a nap and then keeps going. So
Good for her.
that'll be,
Yeah, Mike, you've had an RV, right? And also a houseboat.
Yeah.
Has anybody been on a houseboat before? I know, Evelyn, you used to fly bush with your husband, right? Bush planes?
Right. Right. And I used to race on the rivers up in Fairbanks.
Race on the
Yeah,
rivers?
they have races every summer near the longest day of the year, and I entered a couple of those. Yeah,
I
they're called A boats, and that comes to a point. And yeah,
Wow. I would say one of the most adventurous things I have done, it's not as adventurous as what y'all are talking about, but is my dad would tie a snow sled to the back of the van and would drive down the road with us. Totally illegal, for sure. But it was so fun.
well, as long as you stay on the back roads.
Yeah, and we lived out in the far country, so there no one was on the road.
I recently heard of something crazy, kind of similar to that, but we were at the funeral for a family friend, and apparently when he lived out in Idaho, as a kid, they would tie themselves to the back of a truck and then get in the canals with skis, like water skis. So the truck would drive alongside the canal and they would ski in the canal. I was like, that sounds like
That
that.
is so
Yeah, I did
so
that when I
dangerous.
was in high school.
Really?
We did that in Grand
Oh my
Junction.
goodness.
Yeah,
You know what I think would be fun, since we're talking about this, maybe is have you seen where you water ski, but you have like a um uh what's it called? Not a balloon, but
Parasail thing?
yeah, parasail that so you fly up while the boat's pulling you. Like on, is
Yeah.
it called parasailing?
It's
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks kind of fun to me because you have a life vest and you come down slow. But has
Sort of
anybody
slow.
tried?
I've done
Have
it.
you done it?
Yeah, I've done it.
Is it scary or is it not slow? Like, do you hit the water hard?
You have to run well, you're supposed to hit the dock of the boat. You're supposed to run when you hit the dock so that you don't have a hard landing.
Oh my gosh, maybe I can't do it.
How many hard landings does it take before you master that?
No, you're coming down and you see that dog, you run with your feet.
Has anyone done the jump out of the plane thing? The what's
Skydiving?
that? Skydiving?
Skydiving. No, that's not me.
Okay, no, a roller coaster is plenty adventurous for me. That's about as far as I go.
I used to do bumper sliding all the time.
What's that?
When this is back when they had bumpers that stuck out.
Oh,
You hold on to it and you squat down.
skinny bobbing, or what's it
until
called?
You had snow. There was snow on the ground.
Yeah, I did that.
And then
Yeah.
of course I did it once. I thought it was so much fun until I hit a tar patch and I went flying.
I would hang on to the back of a truck, and it's icy, snowy, and you just kind of slide your feet, and it yeah. How are we still all alive? I don't understand.
Good question. But at the conference, we are doing some pretty adventurous stuff. If you guys want to join, it'll be
Yes.
fun. Our little hike, it's a hike to natural water slides. Like there are other things you can do if you can't do the hike because I would say it's a moderately difficult hike. You have to go down a pretty steep hill to start, and then there's some creek crossings and stuff like that. And then there's at the very end it's like natural water slides and a little waterfall, and it's just a fun little area to hang out. So should be fun for anybody who wants to come and do that.
Which I have never done.
Which
I have
my kids have done it, like my little kids. So it's not like really hard. It's just, there's some more difficult parts, but yeah, it's fun.
some other options will be walking around the lake, just enjoying the beauty of the lake, or just sitting and doing activities at the lake. So
How big is this
But
lake?
it'll be fun. It's tiny. It's
I
very
don't know.
small.
How big is
It's tiny. It's man-made. My grandpa actually helped dig it. My great-grandpa helped dig it way back when they founded the area, and they started filling up the lake before they got their equipment out. So they abandoned a bunch of backhoes and stuff at the bottom of the lake. Those are still there. No one would know that, but yeah, those of us that have ancestors that worked on it, we know. What was
How
that?
deep is it?
how deep is it?
I don't know. It's not that deep. You're not supposed to swim in it either. We do sometimes, but you're not supposed to.
You don't get swimmer's itch, right?
No, it's just I think because of
Okay.
the echo and stuff at the bottom of the lake, you're not supposed to swim in it. But so we usually
go
You might
snorkeling.
get a foot in the backhoe.
yeah, exactly. But the way we usually get around that as teenagers is we'd go canoeing and we'd accidentally, flip our
Fall
canoe.
in.
Oh yeah, you kind of tip over a little bit.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, it's a beautiful place to just hang out or to adventure a little bit. It's really beautiful location. So hopefully we have a lot of fun. But I'm excited that we'll get to see you all there. It's gonna be really, really cool.
Are you flying, Cindy?
Oh, you're
I'm
muted.
trying to. Yeah, you're muted. I can't. I was trying to read your lips, but I failed.
Sorry, I'm not so good on my phone. Yes, I am flying. I
Okay.
haven't booked it yet, so I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go to Colorado Springs or Denver.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's kind of the same. Like usually prices to Denver are better, but then you have to drive a little farther. So it just kind of
Right.
depends.
Which airport are you coming in on, Mike? Is it Colorado Springs or Denver?
Colorado Springs.
Okay.
That's a nice airport.
And
It's
Evelyn, you're driving, right?
What's that?
Evelyn.
What'd
Yeah,
you say?
she's in
I'll drive.
one of the airports is, so it wouldn't really make much sense for her to fly. So,
Yeah, I live in Denver, so
Oh,
Is everybody flying into Colorado Springs? Because if they are, then I'll just fly in there so that there's only one pickup.
I think
do
we
you
have.
know people's plans yet?
I don't know them all yet. I need to get that information, but I think there are at least a couple people coming into Denver, and our driver for the shuttle, sorry, our driver for the shuttle lives in Denver, so he'll have to pick it up in Denver anyway and bring it down. So if that's cheaper and you want to do that, then that's fine. But if you want to go to Springs, that's fine too. He'll probably have to go to both.
Okay.
Colorado Springs is on the way down.
Right.
So.
I used to live in Colorado Springs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. Okay. So, oh, Mike can't hear you at all now.
I have a very sleepy baby, so I think I need to go put her to sleep. But it was good to see everybody. I'm super excited to see you next month in person. It'll be awesome. Cami, I'll let you end it if you want to keep going, or are we all good?
I think we're done unless anybody has questions.
Any questions for Cami? No? Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna go save her. All right. See you guys.
See everybody.
Bye.
Bye.